Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we're going to talk about something that Google will implement in the Google Chrome browser in the coming months. So it happened a few years ago. Google with Google Chrome was one of the first browsers to actually implement that if it has to go to a website, will go by default to a secure website, the HTTPS version of a website, if an unsecure version is available. Now, of course, that means that when you go to a website, it searches for the secure version, but it actually follows your request. Meaning, if the link that you clicked brings you to a unsecure site, it gave you the unsecure site. It didn't check if there was a secure version of it. So you were sent to whatever the link is actually telling the browser to go to. So in the coming months, the Google team is going to actually force the Google Chrome browser to always look for a secure version of it and connect to that, even if you click a link that is unsecured, so that you're always as secure as possible. Because the difference between an HTTPS or secure website and an HTTP website, an unsecured, it really resides on the fact that the secure website is encrypted between the server and your computer. The unsecure website is not. Anybody could snoop on the details. And I'll give you an example of how you can see that. Here in Google Chrome, this page is secured. And there's actually a little lock on the left side here where you can click information and it tells you connection is secure. So this is a HTTPS website. Now, look at this page, which is a page I go for some shortwave radio schedules. It says not secure. This website does not have a secure version of the page. So that means when I'm on this website, this page can be snooped on between the server and me. Now, on this page, it doesn't matter, but if it would be a page that asks for personal information, passwords, anything, I would never enter my personal information. Always verify that a page is secure before you enter any details. So in the future, the secure version of a page is always going to be the one that's going to be shown. And even if you click a link that doesn't bring you to the secure version, it's going to go check for a secure version before it actually gives you the non-secure. The reason why unsecure pages still exist is simple. It's because a secure page needs to have a certificate, and that isn't free. So for cost reduction, some websites will revert to a page with no security, which means, of course, they don't have to pay for a certificate. I suspect that sometime in the future, at some point, Google and other manufacturers of browsers will probably say, you know what, now time is over. We need to have everything secure on the web. But for now, we still have a mix of pages. But the big majority of pages are secure. And when you're in an unsecure, well, it tells you not secure. So, you know that this is a page everybody can snoop on. So that's going to be coming up in the next months, including also an increase in the way that they verify downloads, which means that when you're going to download files from the internet with Google Chrome, there will be a warning on some of the files that it could be a dangerous file, malware, and so on. A little bit like the Smart Screen filter. It doesn't mean that it is dangerous, but sometimes it could be because, a file is unknown. For example, I have a couple of programs that I download. They're fine. It's just that the Smart Screen doesn't know what it is, so it might actually give you a message saying, well, this, I don't know what it is. It could be dangerous. You sure you want to continue? It's going to be kind of a warning like that, basically. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe. Give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.